What's up everybody, my name is Tatan Zuleta and I'm here in South Beach, Miami with B-Flat World in Adorama recording a new episode for Street Studio. So join us while we take pictures of random people in the street with digital and film and get some awesome stuff. Can I take a portrait of you for the show? Are you ready? Toby, can we get some light? Right, so we decided to use the B-flat because this sun is way too hard, and I just wanted to create an open shadow on him so I could get a better portrait, because this light is way too intense and then it's gonna be too much contrast, and I really don't want to, I don't want to blow his tattoos, I don't want to create any hard light on him. So I just decided to use our B-flat as a wall to create an open shadow. ¿Listo? Dale. Nice. Can I take a portrait of you? Can we get that B-flat to put some light into him? Yeah. This side, over here. Just bounce it from here. Can I take a portrait of you? So the good thing about shooting with film is that you got so much rain and you can get so much information out of it that it's sick, it's insane. The bad part is you're not gonna be able to see the back of the camera to check if you get it done the way you should. That means that you have to put your abilities as a photographer to the test when you shoot with film. But it's a different feeling, it's a different love, it's a different texture. Colors come different, information comes different. So hopefully we will get some amazing work of today's video with this little baby. So you're gonna be recorded probably in one of the best medias there is. Okay. And it's just gonna be a straight portrait of you, so don't... You want me to smile or no? Yeah, sure, of course. There you go, smile. Awesome. Perfect. Nice. Yeah. Thank you very much. Good. Thank you. Yeah.
I'm 18.
18?
19.
Dude, I wish I was that old now. All right. Beautiful, man. That was beautiful. One shot. That's all you need. One shot. Come on, guys. So, I want to get a portrait of you two guys together. Ready? That is beautiful, guys. All right, people, so this is it for today's episode in Street Studio with B-Flat World. We took some amazing portraits of amazing people with digital and with film. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to follow and subscribe to Adorama TV. See you next time.